I just wanted to make a quick video showing how I use the history command and when I'm running around on Linux command line. It's pretty handy and I use it a lot. And so I don't want to show all my history because I don't know what's all in there. I get a pretty big history. So what I just did there is I start typing history HIS and I hit tab and it auto-filled for me. Probably you guys already know how to do that. But I'm just going to put down 10. And then what that'll do is just show me the last 10 entries. So it's a little bit safer than showing you maybe an SSH into some machine I don't want you to know about. Anyways, here we can see, I think those are called process IDs. You see the numbers there, it says 200 exit, and then all the way up to 209. And so one thing I'll do is, like sometimes I forget how to spell something or the command's kind of complicated. And if you see there on number 207, it says neofetch, which is a pretty cool program. So what I can do is I can put in an exclamation point. That means I want to process a process ID, I believe. And I'll put in 2007. And what that's going to do is it's going to execute that command 2007. So I press it, boom, and then I'm like, oh, that's how you do it. Now, granted, simple stuff like that, I could have just typed in NE, couldn't remember the rest of it. Hit tab didn't work, so maybe if you hit tab twice, it'll kind of fill out for you. And then, so that's usually what I do instead of using history, but it's just an example. So what I really like to do is I like to pipe things out, and what I mean by that is I'll go history, which will get all of it, and then I'll put in the pipe symbol, which is the double line marker there. It looks like a single line, but it's actually two lines. It's the button right above your enter key, usually two vertical dash lines. And then I'll use grep a lot. And then if I don't want it to be case sensitive, I'll put an I in there, but a lot of times you know the case and you don't have to worry about it. So in this case I'm going to put in, trying to think of something. Okay, let's say I was trying to remember how I check the Docker status. So I'll put in DOC, and then what that's going to do is grep everything that has the DOC in it. So there we go, there's quite a bit there, and I can see that line 1773 is probably what I want, so I hit that and boom, whoops, I did that wrong, or apparently that was not a good command. Oh, that was a grep, I'm sorry. I need to do 156. Well, here's something interesting, let's try this out. I think 156 is, or excuse me, 17, what is it, 17, we'll just say 1776, I can see up there, and I didn't relist the history command, and sure enough that was the command that gave it that I wanted. Hope that made sense. But between oh, and there I hit that up arrow command, and even though I used it last time with the process ID number, the 1776, that's the command it actually executed for me. So if you hit up arrow, it could do that. Also, you can use up arrow for all this stuff. It's a quick thing, but that's just a quick again, we'll do 15 if there's nothing in there. And one last time, let's say I wanted to clear, and for some reason I didn't know the clear command, I could do 2008, and that's going to execute the clear command. And if I hit the up arrow, it'll show me that. Anyways, between the piping and the grep, I use that a lot, and I just thought that might help somebody out to be more productive. And I really use the grep tons. And here I'm just hitting up arrow. Again, history. Let's say I couldn't remember the sys commands. There, it gives me a whole bunch there. And so anyways, that's what I do to quickly navigate through things. And usually what happens is I'll see, like again, neofetch. There it is. And what I'll usually do from there is just type in any OF and then hit tab. There you go. Anyways, I hope this helps somebody out, and maybe if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.